the One Funnel Away Challenge. This 30-day intensive program, designed by Russell Brunson and e-commerce expert Trey Lewellen, provides a step-by-step guide to building a high-converting funnel from scratch. Over 150,000 entrepreneurs have already transformed their businesses with this challenge. Plus, you'll also get a 90-day free trial of ClickFunnels. Join the OFA and get started by checking the link in this video description. Now that you know what the One Funnel Away Challenge is all about, so what exactly do you get when you join the One Funnel Away Challenge? Let me break it down for you. Over the course of 30 days, you'll be guided through daily tasks and lessons that show you step-by-step how to build and launch a successful sales funnel from scratch. First, you'll get access to the members area of the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is where everything happens. And the best part? You'll start with a 90-day free trial of ClickFunnels. This is the world's best software for building sales funnels, and you get it free for 90 days. But it doesn't stop there. If you're a coach, course creator, or consultant, you'll get expert training directly from Russell Brunson. He'll show you exactly how to build and grow your business in the info product industry, which is a billion-dollar industry. And if you're in e-commerce, you're in luck. You'll learn from an entrepreneur who's built a multi-million-dollar e-commerce business. He'll teach you how to scale your e-commerce business to new heights. Next, you'll join a private community of like-minded entrepreneurs. This is a Facebook group where you can ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others who are on the same journey. It's a great place to get support and learn from others who have taken the challenge. You'll also get access to the Funnel Hacker Library. This is where you'll find the best courses on building sales funnels, driving traffic, and mastering marketing. And here's something cool. You'll get 2 credits every month. That means you can unlock 2 courses for free every month. These are the same courses that have helped create more millionaires in the online marketing industry than anything else. But that's not all. You'll also get live coaching calls with ClickFunnels CEO Russell Brunson and his team. These aren't just any coaching calls. They're packed with expert advice tailored to your business. Whether you're in the info product industry or e-commerce, you'll get the strategies you need to succeed. There's also a podcast section where you'll learn the best marketing secrets and funnel building strategies. These podcasts are packed with insights from industry leaders who've been where you are and know how to get to the next level. And if that's not enough, there's the Fill Your Funnel Challenge. This challenge is all about driving traffic to your funnels and building a $1 million online business. You'll learn the strategies that the most successful online entrepreneurs use to get traffic that converts. Each week of the challenge is focused on a different key area. In week 1, you'll learn the secret formula, the Dream 100, and traffic strategies. In week 2, you'll dive into more traffic tactics and follow-up funnels. Week 3 is all about advanced funnel strategies, and in week 4, you'll finalize and optimize your funnel. Plus, with each lesson, you'll get downloadable workbooks to help you apply what you learn. If you're in e-commerce, there's even more for you. There's a dedicated section with day-by-day training, advanced lessons, and resources to help you build and scale a successful e-commerce business. In short, the One Funnel Away Challenge is packed with everything you need to build a high-converting $1 million sales funnel. Whether you're a coach, course creator, consultant, or e-commerce entrepreneur, it's all here, and it's all designed to help you succeed. So, there you have it. Everything you can expect from the One Funnel Away Challenge. This comprehensive program is designed to help you build a high-converting sales funnel from scratch. Whether you're a coach, course creator, consultant, or e-commerce entrepreneur, it's all about giving you the tools, training, and support you need to finally achieve the results you've been striving for. If you're ready to take the next step and apply these proven strategies to your business, the One Funnel Away Challenge is the perfect opportunity. And here's the exciting part. By signing up through the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this transformative program, but you'll also be supporting this channel, helping me continue to provide valuable content to entrepreneurs like you. So, if this sounds like the boost your business needs, click the link below to get started and get the ClickFunnels 90 days free trial. I can't wait to see how the One Funnel Away Challenge helps you reach your goals and transform your business.